Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gerald Beya and I'm here to learn Russian together with you. As you can see, I'm using Duolingo, and so let's get started. Today we are going to learn about animals. The last time we saw how to talk about places, we did where, the topic where. So let's do the animal section today. So the first exercise, 15 minutes a day can help you to learn a new language. So that's what Duolingo says, or Duo says, the pet. So translate this sentence: Are there snakes in the city? Are there snakes in the city? В
В
городе?
городе
Yes.
есть
How would you say snake? I don't know. Live, I think it's lion. Zmera, no, Zmeya. Zmeya, I don't know what it is. Птица. Птица, I think it's a bird. And Zmir, Zmi, I don't know what it is. But Mish, it's a bear. A bear. So Zmi and Izmia. I think it's
Zmi.
Izmir because we have Zmia, that's singular, and Zmi, it's a plural. Good.
Что едят собаки?
Что едят собаки? Что едет? It's едет. Что едят собаки? What do dogs eat? And do you have mice? У вас
У вас
есть
есть
mice? Das hier, it's going to be. So Mishi,
мыши.
Mish means a mouse, and Mishi, mice.
У вас есть мыши?
У вас есть мыши? Do you have mice? These are our lions. So these, how do you say these? Normally we say this eto. So it's going to be the same. Это наши львы. Львы. Das hier львы. Львы.
Моя мышь.
Моя мышь. My mouse. And how do you say snake? I completely forgot. Yeah, I think it's something. Yeah. Yemi? No, it's Измея. Измея.
В городе есть змеи.
Змеи. В городе есть змеи. So in the city there are snakes. Zmei. It was a question, it's not a statement, so it's also bad. Is it a snake? So Zmia. Zmia.
Где моя мышь?
Где моя мышь? Where is my mouse? I guess. And the bird is drinking milk. Пьет молоко. Пьет. The bird пьет. The bird. Птица. I think it. Птица. 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 Ц. Ц. Like this.
Моя птица.
So моя птица. It's going to be like this. Моя, and then п. Птица. Птица. The lion is eating. So лев.
Лев ест.
Ест. Тот лев. Лев. Ест. Eat.
Собаки или кошки.
Собаки. Или it's or. How will you write или? Собаки. Dogs or кошки. Cats. So I wrote собаки. It's собаки. So that was имя. Имя. No, змея.
В городе есть змеи.
So it's difficult. Oh, there. Snakes in the city. Of the snakes, I supposed I said in the city, but I wrote
Собаки или кошки.
so. No, it's not the right alphabet anyway. So I'm going to change it. Собаки или кошки. Кошки. Good. Змея.
В городе есть змеи.
So, are there snakes in the city? That's a question. Nice, good. So here we are. 22 days strike. Okay guys, so I had a pause, I'm sorry. And that was the first exercise. As you can see, it's not so easy. Let's do the second exercise. I have a duck. У меня есть утка.
Утка. Медведь.
Медведь. This is a bear. Миш, it's a mouse, but медведь, it's a bear. The wolf is drinking milk. So волк пьет молоко.
Медведь ест. Моя курица.
Моя курица. Курица I think it's a
Курица.
hen, yes, that what I was thinking. So моя курица, my hen. Курица, yeah. And duck. This is a duck. Утка. Утка. Утка.
Курица – это птица.
Курица – это птица. So a hen is a bird. I saw it at the last moment. Volk. The volk. Volk. It's a wolf. Where is a fly? Где fly? I don't know. Муха. The муха. Где муха? Where is the fly? Муха. Good.
У меня есть утка.
Type what you hear. Type it.
У меня есть утка.
У меня есть.
У меня есть утка. У меня есть утка.
Утка. Утка is a duck. I have a duck. What does the fly eat? Что ест муха?
Медведь ест. Медведь ест.
Мед. Мед. Вед. Yes. So медведь yes means that the bear is eating. But there is something that is missing. No, it's good.
Что есть муха?
Что есть? Что есть? Муха.
Волк ест.
So волк ест. Волк ест. Eat. Oh, that was not like this. It was supposed to be a T. There are some mistakes that they just
Курица
let
–
go.
это птица.
You are not too strict. So once again.
Курица – это птица.
So курица это птица. Курица. No, курица. Это птица. Птица. Good. Oh, I even got it perfect. That's something that I was not expecting at all. So we did 2 lessons and we are almost halfway, but we still have one more lesson and we'll do some revision because Russian is really hard. There are mice here. So how do you say mouse? Myszy? Myszy here. Myszy. Здесь.
Здесь.
There are mice here. So what are the other words we see here? Утки, мухи, пьет, птицы. So
Мыши.
I think that's how we say it. Basically, we're saying here mice. Здесь мыши.
Птицы не пьют молоко.
Птицы не пьют молоко. So birds do not drink milk, and birds do not drink milk. And again, птицы
Птицы
Не пьет.
Пьют.
Не пьют. It's not пьет, it's пьют. Не пьют молоко.
Молоко. Медведи пьют молоко.
Медведи пьет.
Медведи пьют молоко.
Пьют молоко. Де омасio. Визо май, sorry. Визо майс. Это мои
Мои
мыши.
мыши. Здесь медведи и утки.
Здесь медведи и утки. So here we have bears and ducks. Здесь
Утки. Это птицы.
утки это птица. Птицы. Утки это птицы. So ducks are birds. And these are not flies. Это не мухи. I think мухи.
Медведи едят все.
Медведи едят все. So the bears eat all. Is it the bears or bears eat all?
Медведи.
Медведи, bears eat all or the bears eat all? I think I will try without the bears eat all. And there are flies there. Там есть. Есть. I know what is wrong. Там есть мухи. Да.
Мыши едят все.
Мыши идет все. Мыши едят все. Медведи едят все. Едят все.
Там мухи.
Там мухи.
Здесь медведи и утки.
Здесь
Здесь медведи и утки.
медведи и утки. Утки.
Утки. Это птицы.
So, утки. Это птица. Птиц. Утки это птицы.
Мыши едят все.
Мыши едят все. Едят. So mice eat all. Here we go. So here is another crown for me. And how are we doing time-wise? We still have 20 minutes. So guys, I know that it's very hard. I feel how it is very hard. So now I'm in the top 10. So I have to also announce that I was promoted to a higher league because I finished among the 10 first users. And so now I'm no longer in the, I started in the bronze, silver, and then you have gold, and then I think you have sapphire. I think no, sapphire, is it blue? Yeah, ruby, emerald, and now I have this amethyst league. So amethyst, it's another precious stone, gemstone. And so if I will finish among the 10 first this week, I will move to a higher league. So wish me luck. And what else? So like I said, we still have 10 minutes, so we should work, we should study. What I propose is that we study some more. Let's do something which is important. Let's do as many revisions as we can. After lesson, write down as many phrases as. So how do you say radio?
Радио.
Radio. It's a radio and radio.
Radio.
And backpack, rucksack.
Рюкзак.
But listen here, you have something bagage, motor, sushi. So try to remember all these, yes? Where is the circus? Где цирк? So get used to the sounds and so on. No, это нет.
Нет.
Team.
Тим.
Team is team. This is
Это.
это там.
Там.
There. Actor. Актер.
Актер.
So actor is актер. That's good. Because I wrote actor somewhere. It's not actor, it's acteur. So I have to correct it. Select the correct translation. This is a circus and not a cafe. Это цирк, а не кафе.
Вот мой свитер.
I made a mistake somewhere. Вот мой свитер. Sorry. Here is my sweater. Мой, it's my, masculine form. And this is not a guitar. Это не гитара.
Гитара.
Это не гитара. Это не гитара.
Папа в метро.
Papa в metro. So dad is in the metro, the subway. And my guitar, моя гитара.
Гитара.
So there is мой and моя гитара. Feminine for mine.
Где моя
Possessive
гитара?
adjective. Где моя гитара? Гитара. Where is my guitar?
Мой рюкзак.
Мой
Мой
рюкзак.
рюкзак. Нет. Тим. Актер, а не медик.
Нет, Tim. Actor, а не медик. So, no, Tim is an actor and not a doctor. Good.
Я ем пюре.
Я
Я
ем
ем
пюре.
пюре.
It's пюре.
Да, это свитер.
Свитер. Да, это свитер. 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 Good. It's a sweater.
Я
Sweater.
ем пюре.
So я ем пюре. Я ем. How would you say puree? It's puree. Puree. But puree is still puree, even if it's in kind of accusative form. So what am I eating? So,
Метро.
but metro. This is a circus and not a cafe. That's what I made. Это цирк, а не кафе. But here is это цирк, а нет кафе, а не кафе. So just with a T, they got me. Okay, that was a quick revision. And let's see here. Let's do another quick revision. So which of these is a park? Park. Мужчина. Coffee. Яблоко. America. America. Откуда, it's from where? Когда, it's when. And this city is my home. So this city, этот город, это дом, это мой дом. How do you say man? Oh, sorry, man. Мужчина. And how do you say this is a city? Это город. Это город. Team is team. America is America. Как is how. Ivanovna is Ivanovna. Ukraina is Ukraine. Я мужчина. I am a man. And girl is девочка. Мальчик is boy. Team is team. Canada is Canada. Canada. It's not Canada, but Canada. 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 And Ukraine is Ukraina. Я мальчик. I am a boy. And where is Canada? Где Канада? Где Канада? Где она? Where is she? Is this Canada or is this America or Canada? Это Америка или Канада?
Она в такси.
Она в такси. So she is in the taxi.
Здесь не Россия.
Здесь не Россия. So here is not Russia. And how do you write this? America. America. I don't know if I have to capitalize this, but okay. I think not. This boy. This is этот. Этот. And how do you say boy? So мальчик. So there is a мягкий знак. So мальчик. Мягкий знак I missed. I'm sorry about that. Извините. Here is Russia. Вот. Вот Russia. So Russi. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, it's not Russia, it's Russia. Russia. Yes. Perfect. Good. So another revision. And how much time? So we all done actually, but guys, I think if you don't mind, let's do another exercise because we really have to practice as much as we can. Let's do one quick, okay, guys? Because we haven't been in touch so much. So, день,
День.
it's the day. Remember, добрый день, good morning. It's not good morning, it's good afternoon. Добрый день. And sushi, radio, vara. And good afternoon. Добрый день. Добрый, доброе. Доброе, it means good, but it doesn't mean anything. Добрый так, it's добрый так, good something, так, it's not
Привет. Как
how.
дела?
Привет, как дела? Hi, how are you? And thanks is спасибо. Good night. Спокойной ночи. Ночи, we know it's night.
Добрый вечер.
Добрый
Дима.
вечер, Дима. Добрый вечер, Дима. Добрый вечер. It's good evening, Дима. И good night. It's спокойной ночи. Спокойной ночи.
Извините, где
Спокойной
площадь?
ночи. Извините, где площадь? Площадь is the square. Excuse me, where is the square? But there is no Jima in it. Good night, это спокойной ночи.
Спокойной ночи.
Спокойной ночи. Спокойной. There is a way to say it.
Спокойной.
Спокойной. Спокойной. It's as if that the O is not there. Спокойной. Спокойной ночи.
Спокойной ночи. Ночи.
Спокойной ночи. But there is an O there.
Пока, Том.
Пока, Tom. Bye, Tom. And good evening. Добрый вечер.
Добрый вечер.
Вечер.
Как дело?
Как дела?
Дело.
And here вот
Вот.
площадь.
Площадь. Да, площадь там.
So yes, the square is there. Yes, да.
Да.
See you soon. До скорого.
Скорого.
Скорого. Да, до скорого.
Пока.
Okay, so how are you doing? So как дела? И да, до скоро. Perfect. Okay, so I got all the points. Another ad because I don't have the purchase version. So I did basically 1, 2, 3. I think I did all of them here. So that was the 6th lesson, my 6th recorded Russian language lesson. So I hope you enjoy it. For me, it was nice, and I'm going to do my Spanish now, and I'm going to post it first on my YouTube channel. So if you liked it, please give it a thumb up, give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and ciao, пока, до свидания, до скорого.